Welcome back to the Honest Review Hub channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the top 10 kitchen gadgets that should be in every home in 2024. Listen, you want to cook like a pro? You need the right bloody tools, right? Whether you're a seasoned chef or you're just starting out and can't tell a spatula from a whisk, these tools will make your cooking experience a damn sight easier. As usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. First on the chopping block is a game changer for any kitchen, a high-quality chef's knife. This isn't just any knife, it's the cornerstone of culinary excellence. This isn't some cheap, dull piece of metal you find at the bottom of a bargain bin. Those knives are more trouble than they're worth, causing frustration and uneven cuts. We're talking about a thing of beauty, a sharp, well-balanced blade that makes prepping your ingredients a bloody dream. Imagine slicing through vegetables like butter, with each cut as smooth as the last. You want to mince garlic with the precision of a surgeon? A good chef's knife allows you to achieve that level of finesse, making your dishes not only taste better but look more professional. You need a good chef's knife. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of your hand, giving you control and confidence in the kitchen. Want to slice tomatoes thin enough to see through? A high-quality chef's knife makes this task effortless, ensuring each slice is perfect. You need a good chef's knife. It's essential for achieving those paper-thin slices that elevate your dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. Don't even think about coming at me with a blunt instrument. Blunt knives are not only ineffective but also dangerous, increasing the risk of accidents. Invest in a decent bloody knife. It's a small price to pay for the immense benefits it brings to your cooking experience. A good chef's knife is a lifelong companion in the kitchen. Next up, we've got a gadget that's going to save you tons of time and frustration in the kitchen. It's something simple, yet incredibly essential. A durable cutting board. And no, I don't mean that flimsy plastic thing you've had since college. You know, the one that's warped and stained beyond recognition. Invest in a thick, sturdy cutting board, preferably made of wood or bamboo. These materials are not only more durable but also gentler on your knives. A good cutting board will protect your countertops from scratches and nicks and keep your knives sharper for longer. Plus, it makes prepping your ingredients a hell of a lot easier and more enjoyable. Chopping herbs on a wobbly, scarred-up cutting board is like trying to conduct surgery in a blizzard. It's frustrating and inefficient. So do yourself a favor and get yourself a decent board for God's sake. Your kitchen experience will be transformed and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. This next one is for all you cowboys out there who think you can just eyeball everything. Listen up. You want consistent, delicious results, you need to measure your ingredients properly. That means having a good set of measuring cups and spoons. And don't even get me started on those cheap plastic ones that warp and bend after a few washes. Invest in some sturdy stainless steel or glass ones, and for God's sake, level them off properly. We're not baking fairy cakes here, people, we're cooking. Chapter 4, Mixing Bowls, your kitchen's workhorse. Next up, we've got a workhorse of the kitchen, mixing bowls. These versatile tools are indispensable for any home cook or professional chef. And I'm not talking about just one measly bowl. You need a set of different sizes for all your culinary needs. Whether you're preparing a small batch of ingredients or a large feast, having the right size bowl makes all the difference. From tossing salads to whipping up cake batter, a good set of mixing bowls is essential. They are perfect for mixing, marinating, and even serving. Imagine trying to whisk ingredients in a bowl that's too small. It's a recipe for disaster. Look for bowls with a non-slip base which provide stability and prevent accidents while you're mixing, and make sure they're dishwasher and microwave safe. This makes cleaning up a breeze and allows you to use them for a variety of tasks, from heating leftovers to prepping ingredients. And for God's sake, get some that nest inside each other, saving precious storage space in your kitchen. We don't have all the bloody space in the world. Efficient storage is key to maintaining an organized and functional kitchen. Chapter 5, Food Processor, your kitchen sous chef. This next gadget is a lifesaver, especially if you're short on time or patience. A food processor is like having a sous chef in your kitchen. It can chop, slice, dice, puree, and even knead dough. Making hummus? Food processor. Whipping up a pesto? Food processor. Need to shred a mountain of cheese? You guessed it, food processor. This is one kitchen gadget you won't regret investing in. Chapter 6, Cast Iron Skillet, the old reliable. Now we're talking about a true kitchen classic, the cast iron skillet. This thing is indestructible and can handle some serious heat. Searing steaks, frying chicken, baking cornbread, you name it, the cast iron skillet can do it. And the best part? It gets better with age. Just remember to season it properly, and it'll last you a lifetime. Chapter 7. This next gadget is a favorite among professional chefs and home cooks alike, the Immersion Blender. This handy tool lets you blend soups, sauces, and smoothies right in the pot, so there's no need to transfer hot liquids to a blender. It's also great for making mayonnaise, whipping cream, and even pureeing baby food. Just be careful not to submerge the motor unless you want a face full of soup. Chapter 8. Instant Pot. The pressure is on. This next gadget is a game changer for busy weeknights, the Instant Pot. This multi-cooker can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and even make yogurt. It's like having a whole kitchen appliance in one. You can cook a whole chicken in under an hour, make creamy risotto without stirring, and even bake cheesecakes in this thing. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to put delicious meals on the table quickly and easily. Chapter 9. Digital Meat Thermometer. No more guessing games. This next gadget is essential for any cook who wants to avoid serving up dry, overcooked meat. A digital meat thermometer takes all the guesswork out of cooking meat to the perfect temperature. No more cutting into that steak to check if it's done. Just stick the thermometer in and wait for the beep. You'll never have to suffer through another overcooked piece of chicken again. Chapter 10. Silicone spatulas, your new best friend. And finally, no kitchen is complete without a good set of silicone spatulas. These heat-resistant spatulas are perfect for scraping bowls, folding batter, and stirring sauces. They're also dishwasher safe and won't scratch your non-stick cookware. Plus, they come in a million different colors, so you can find ones that match your kitchen decor. It's the little things, right? So, there you have it, my top 10 must-have kitchen gadgets for 2024. Now go forth and cook up a storm. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cooking tips, recipes, and rants about subpar kitchen equipment. Let me know in the comments which gadget you can't live without, and which ones you think are a complete waste of space. Until next time, keep it cooking, and for God's sake, don't burn the dinner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and make sure you leave a comment on what you want to see next on my channel.